Hi George. We've had your Renault Traffic taxi in today from was it Sunderland Taxis. It's a 2 litre DCI, 115 brake. You've had a block DPF. It's been driving your crackers, hasn't it?
Well, I've took it to numerous garages, honest to God, and I've had no problems. Cost us more or less £1,000 up to now, different parts there. Brought it up there, paid the money, and everything's perfect, and it's driving as if it was brand new.
Dan's been out with you. What was it? 54 grams of soot you had in it? 80 grams of soot.
80 grams of soot to start with. He's getting it right down to zero.
And you've been for a road test?
Been for a road test, drives as if it's brand new.
Happy?
And I'm really happy, and I advise anybody that's got these problems, didn't spend the money, come here and find out.
Thank you very much, I appreciate that.